Hello, I'm a cabinet maker, I'm retired, I've been making furniture for 40 years and this is my router table that's now for sale. It has cupboards either side, kitted out in this case for router bits, although the router bits are not part of the sale. It's on casters and it moves very freely. Obviously the casters lock and basically its function and movement is fine. These remove very easily. This is just a guard, it's not an actual guide. And this is a router mechanism which rises and falls and can be locked on this point here, although you very rarely need to lock it. It rises and falls very easily and very straightforwardly. This fence is easily removed for adjustments or for replacing the bits.
What's that on the top, Dad?
This is an extractor unit. There are the fittings for an extractor unit and can be either put on as say a hose extractor, or it's more recommended to use the big 4-inch extractor unit. Spanners etc. of course come with it. This is the actual adjustment for the router, in which case it's a case of rising it to its limit, push this button in and it locks onto the thing, onto the actual
locking mechanism.
The locking mechanism. This rises and falls, as I say, in a very straightforward manner.
When you turn it round and let's see the rise and fall from the inside.
Rise and fall is...
Let's see the mechanism. Nice. Okay.
The router itself is a Makita router which I've had some time, but it's still very functioning. It still works extremely well. I'm just about to switch it on. It could of course do with a switch on here, but I've never had occasion to do that because it's always been so near to the switch on the wall. In essence, that's what it's all about. It's very well made, and as I say, it survived for some 10 years. Inside, this mechanism is dead square and dead smooth. No problems with it whatsoever. Thank you.